Hi there, welcome to another Jira Gems. Today we're going to look at how to import a load of tickets from your Jira board onto your Miro board, because Miro is a brilliant way to visualize your story map, so you can put all your tickets on it. If you can see that there's one on the Miro board just here, this is an existing one that I've created. And in a different video, I've shown how to put tickets that you create on your Miro board, how to upload those into Jira through the automatic integration tool. So this video is going to show you how to get them the other way. You might have a load of tickets already on your Jira board that you want to add to your story map on your Miro board. So how do you do that? So let's take a little look at that. So I will find a little blank area of our Miro board. Now we have our backlog here. You can see I'm going to get all the bugs out of this backlog. So there's three bugs down here in the backlog section, and there's one up here in the open sprint. So there are 4 bugs in my backlog. So I want to get those bugs onto my Miro board here so that I can add them into my story map. So the way you do that, click on these little 3 dots down the bottom. See the menu down the left-hand column here. You click on the 3 dots at the bottom. Go up here, search for apps and tools, and you search for Jira. And you don't want the Jira add-on, you want Jira, this one. Now, doing this assumes that you already have your Jira integration set up into Miro. If you haven't got that integration set up, this isn't going to work. You need to go and put your Jira integration into Miro first. So that's assuming that you already have that. Now then, so what I've found, and I did contact Miro about this, the basic search doesn't really work. You need to switch to the advanced search. I don't really know what's wrong with the basic search, but it ignores the jQuery. It just gives you random or seemingly random results. So always make sure you click on advanced search, and that little button goes blue there. You want the advanced search, and then it should work just fine. So my project where I want to get the bugs from is NCC. So I want all the tickets that are NCC, and issue type is equal to bug. Now then, as you can see, it's getting all the bugs. So some of them are done already. So it's got, what's it got, 8 probably. So it's got all the bugs. So just put another parameter there, and status with an S is not equal to done. And there you go. There are all the bugs that are on my Jira board, and we've just had a look at them. There are in fact 4 of them. 1 in progress, as we saw, was on the active board, and the other 3 just in the backlog. So there they all are. Now, so the ones that you want to import, you just tick them. So you can tick them individually, or you can tick the top button if you want all of them, and it will just multi-select. So once you've got all of them, you can probably see, whoop, let me move my face. You can see this button down here, add, and it will give you a ticket count. If there's more pages than 1, the pagination is down here, down on the bottom left, but in this case there's only 4 of them. So I add that button, and there it is. It is that simple. There are our 4 cards, all nicely added with the active link to Jira. And it gets all the details for you. So then you can simply drag those tickets into an existing story map, or do whatever you want with them. And it is just that simple. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you next time.